Hi again. In this session, we'll discuss how to log into the Zuper mobile app from your mobile device. So once again, as you can see on my iPhone, I have the Zuper logo in the lower right-hand corner of my home screen. So I'm going to click on that logo. We talked in the previous session about how to switch between a live environment and a sandbox or a training or practice environment. We're going to go into a live environment in this case, and I'm going to type in my company name. This is obviously a fictitious training, testing type name, and your company will provide you with your login company name. I'm going to proceed now. It's going to ask me for my email. I have my email stored, so I'm just going to select that. Otherwise, you would enter your email address, and the company will tell you which email address to enter. I presume it would be your own. I have facial recognition turned on as well, and I have the password linked to my email address, so that has automatically populated. However, if you do not have password linked to your email address, you can type it in, of course. And then once you hit login, it will log you into the Zuper mobile app. It will download any current configuration changes that have happened since you were last logged in. So you'll have automatically access to the most current version of the mobile app. You don't have to do anything to update. So we have now logged into the mobile app. Rather than go through a job, and you can see that I have a job showing up right now, but rather than go through the job, the purpose of this session was just to introduce you into how to log in. I'm also going to show you how to log out. It's simple. You just click on the three icons in the three lines in the upper left-hand corner of the screen. It will bring up a series of menu items, and you can see log out down at the bottom. So I'm just going to select log out and say yes, and it will log me out of the application and bring me directly back to the login screen. Thanks for your time. More sessions to follow.